Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fried egg crispy, full guide. Start with a wide skillet, a thin layer of oil, and a gently heated pan. Crack the egg into a small bowl first, then slide it into the oil to protect the yolk. Spoon hot oil around the edges to encourage even browning and crisping while keeping the yolk runny and tender. Preheat the pan thoroughly before adding oil so the moment the egg hits it, edges begin to crisp. Use oils with high smoke points to avoid off flavors and burning. Keep the temperature steady between 325 degrees F and 375 degrees F to get golden edges without overcooking the yolk. Tilt the pan and spoon hot oil over the white to accelerate crisping while preserving a tender, runny center. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing easy kitchen tips. Quick recommendation. These leak-proof containers make meal prep and storing crispy leftover eggs a breeze and stop soggy messes. They stack neatly and seal tight, saving space and keeping food fresh. Check the description for the link and other deals, then grab a set, and now let's get back to the video. To amplify crispiness, tilt the pan and baste the egg white edges with hot oil until they foam and turn golden. Lower the egg into a shallow well of oil to control splatter and concentrate heat at the rim. For thicker whites, cover briefly to cook through without drying the yolk, then remove the lid to recrisp edges quickly before serving for the ideal texture contrast.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.